Alright, I'm back with another one. And before I get started, let me do my disclaimer. If you are under the age of 18 years old, do not watch this. It ain't for you. If you are an adult that gets easily offended, aka butthurt, do not watch this. It ain't for you. Okay. I guess from my title, you might know what I want to talk about. Okay. Today was Queen Elizabeth II's funeral. Okay. Well, I don't live in that country. But they got to me. I don't know much about that country. I don't know much about the customs. Nothing. Basically just what I've seen on TV. But that funeral got to me. Yeah. I was watching my programs that I always watch, and my programs were cut, and the funeral was put up. And at first I was mad. I was like, I don't live there. Why does my TV need to be cut and to show that? But then I started watching it. And it got to me. It did. Okay. The funeral, the procession to the chapel was absolutely gorgeous. I mean, just absolutely gorgeous. It started at Windsor Castle, I think is what it was. Now, if I get this wrong, I am so sorry. I am, because I don't mean to get it wrong. But the procession went to, I know, St. George's Chapel, which is utterly amazing. It's I'd never seen it. And this chapel has got to be one of the most beautiful chapels I've ever seen in my life. I mean, just gorgeous. But what got me was this. I didn't know much about Queen Elizabeth at all. I know she lived a very long time. I don't know exactly how old she was, but she was in her 90s. And from what I understand, she took the crown at 32. Okay. That's a long time to reign queen. Could you imagine all the stress that woman was under for all them years? Okay. And I know people read the tabloids and watch the stuff on TV, and there was quite a few scandals in the royal family. Quite a few. And, you know, with everything, you never seen that woman upset. Never. Through everything, she held her head high, and she took it with dignity and pride. I couldn't do that. I couldn't do it. Because you know, I mean, other than being the queen, she was a wife. She was a mother, grandmother. I mean, come on, people. And she never let it show that anything got under her skin. Oh, sorry, my back itched. But that got to me. The beauty of her funeral. And the royal guard. Words can't describe it. If you didn't see it, words cannot describe it. Those people loved her unconditionally. They just loved her. And I know they're heartbroken. And I can feel their pain. Even though I'm not from there. Never been there. I'd like to go one day. It's beautiful. Stunning. But I empathize with her family. The ones that loved her. Just her subjects. Her dogs. I mean, come on. She was more than a queen. And to reign queen that long? I guess what I'm trying to say is, don't be like I was in the beginning and say, well, that has nothing to do with me. I don't know why they got to put that on TV and ruin my shows. Be compassionate. Have a heart. Yeah. Just because you might not like it, or respect it, or show compassion for it, doesn't mean someone else don't. Yeah. So I guess this message goes out to all of the U.S. All hail to the Queen. She was an amazing woman. A lot of us should hope to be anything like her. My prayers go out to her family, her loved ones, her subjects. Yeah. And her country, because she loved her country. Think about it, people. A world leader passed away. Yeah. One of the world's leaders passed away. That's a big deal. Well, that's going to be all for today. So, hail to the Queen. Prayers for anybody who sees this and knows what I'm talking about.